Morning students, I am G. Chiranjeevi, lecturer in computer science, Aditya Degree Colleges. Today I am going to discuss about how to create a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So for that, what we have to do is, go to start menu, or this is called Windows menu. So in Windows menu, go for Microsoft Office, or directly can go for PowerPoint. See here, PowerPoint. So click on PowerPoint. So I have opened a PowerPoint presentation. See here, everything is blank here. So I haven't started any presentation. So what is the advantage of PowerPoint presentation first of all? So what is the advantage of PowerPoint presentation? So the main advantage is, see, I am giving a lecture now. So directly if I speak, the audience may not get my message what I want to send. So for that, so using a PowerPoint presentation, so what I can do is, whatever the lecture I want to deliver, or whatever the lecture a speaker want to deliver, he can keep in a text format, as well as he can include some animations, he can include some pictures, and he can include some audio clips, video clips. So whatever, how he can deliver his message to the audience, how the audience can connect to him, so we can make it more effective by using a PowerPoint presentation. See here, so here in the file I am having, what are the options I am having? Save as, open, close, new. So I am opening a new presentation. See here. So these are different templates available for us. These are the different templates available for us. So according to the category of my presentation, they are categorized. Let us see here. Okay. So calendars, content, diagrams, envelopes, greeting cards. So according to the category I am having, so all are grouped here. So I am clicking on a blank presentation. Clicking on a blank presentation. See here. So this is my blank presentation here. So what is there in the first slide? Click to add title. So the topic what I want to discuss, I can keep as a title, and you can add your name in the first slide. See here. Okay. So suppose I am adding a title. I am having a title here. Okay, keyboard is here. Introduction to PowerPoint. Okay, so here I can add the title of the topic. So direct with keyboard you can type here, I can drag it wherever I want. According to the user's necessity, he can drag here. Okay. So I can add title here. Or you can add your name. See here, I am adding my name here. Okay, so like that I can add here. One more thing, so here everything is in a white screen. So it is a blank presentation. There are no backgrounds here. So you can include the background here. See, click on design here. So when you click on design, these are different templates available. These are the different templates available. So I can click on here. So these are the different templates available. So whatever the design you want, you can click on that design. So automatically the design will appear here. Getting my point? So first you have to create a new slide, and if you need to put a background, to your presentation, so you can click on design. So these are the different templates available. So according to the templates you require, you can select what the template you want. You can select. See, I have selected this, automatically it comes here. If I select this, automatically it comes here. Okay. So according to the user's requirement, so he can select the template he wants. Okay, fine. See here, so I want to go for the next slide. So one slide is completed, so I want to add some more subtopics. So for that the shortcut key is Control M. Or else you can go for here new slide. Insert new slide. Okay, insert new slide. So you can see these are different selections. Okay, so this design is not clear. Let us take another design so that it will be clear for you. Okay, see here, go for insert. In insert you are having in home new slide. So you can directly click on new slide. So the design what you have taken, so the default slides will appear here. See. So here, see in this slide you are having a title, click add to title or click add to text. Suppose you want to change, so next slide also it will be in the same way. Suppose you want to change the format, that means for each and every presentation, you don't like this, you want to change the style of the presentation. So go here, new slide, see here, so title and content comparison. Suppose if I click this, so I can compare two different objects. See here, click to add. Suppose in websites you may see when you are doing online shopping, when you are purchasing a mobile, so you will be an option add to compare. So if you want to compare one mobile with another company mobile, so you can put those things. So here you can put one picture and he can put one more picture here and you can discuss on comparing. Okay, so like that different slides are available. Let us see. Okay, one is that, suppose picture with caption. So here you can add the title and here you can add the text and here you can add the picture. See, when I click on this, it is asking for a picture. Let me see whether any pictures are available here. So there are no pictures. So when there are no pictures, we have an option, we can directly download from the net. So let me show how to download from the internet. Go for Google. Suppose I can download any image here. Suppose I am downloading a mobile images. Okay, so different mobiles I can download. Click on right click, click on save image as. Okay, so you can create a new folder. So I am giving some name, CC. So here you can save the mobile, save the picture. Same way, see the desktop I have saved. So I can copy, right click on this, click on copy. I can paste here, or when I click on this, so I can go for desktop. insert. So accordingly drag the image. So like that I can add a picture, like that I can add a picture for this PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So going for next slide, what is the command I told? Control M. I have clicked on Control M. Okay. So if I want to directly click on the new slide. Okay. Suppose if I want to change the slide style, so I can click on the content, I can click on anything here. Okay. So I click on blank. Okay. So how to enter text? How to enter text into the presentation? Everything I have done blank here. Okay. So here how I have added by keyboard I have typed here, or else you can copy the text, and you can paste here. Okay. So let me make a presentation and show you. Okay. Suppose you want to know, write types of computer. Your title is types of computer. Okay. So in that, suppose let me show that you are having 3 categories: analog computers, digital computers, hybrid computers. So like that you can go on adding the text by keyboard. You can go on adding the text by keyboard. Okay. See here, one more option is here, clipboard. Clipboard. Can anyone tell what is clipboard? So clipboard means the recently copied images. The recently copied images will be pasted here. Suppose let me copy here one picture. Okay. So click on clipboard. Select here, I am clicking on copy, Control C. See here, I have copied it, it is placed in clipboard. So like that, so recently if you require any images to be copied in PowerPoint, you can place on keyboard. Like that I can copy n number of pictures. Okay. See, all are placed here. So like that I can paste some images. So whatever the images you are pasting, all will be here in clipboard. So what is the advantage of clipboard? What is the advantage of clipboard? The advantage of clipboard is, suppose if you are recently copying, if you want to copy number of elements and you want to use it for later. So all those elements are placed in clipboard. So maximum of 24 images you can place in clipboard. Okay. Maximum of 24 images can be placed in clipboard. Okay. Fine. And here see, in home button, let us discuss the slides today. Let us discuss the slides now. Okay. So new slide I have opened. New slide I have explained now. So what is a new slide? If you click on new slide, what happens? One new slide is created here. So like that you can go on creating new slides. Okay. Suppose there is a menu drop here, drop down list. Okay. So according to the requirement, suppose you, from this present design you want to change the design and go for some other design, or you want to change the template of the current slide. So for that you have to use for new slide here. So when you want to compare, you can go for this one. This is what you have seen now. Okay. So next one, see layout. layout. Layout is similar to the new slide. So if you want to change the current style of design, and if you want to go for next design, you can go for layout here. Okay. So next section. Okay. So next one, bold. So what do you mean by bold? Suppose if you want to increase the thickness of the text, if you want to increase the thickness of the text, what you have seen in MS Word, the same here. Suppose you want to increase the thickness, or you want to make your title bold. Suppose if you want to make your title bold, so you can click on that. So select the text and click on bold. It's already in bold. Okay. So select on text. Okay. So next, underline. So next is italic. Italic means your slide, your text will be little bit slanted. Your text will be little bit slanted. So if you want your text to be slant, so you can make it italic. So next one is underline. Next one is underline. So if you want to make your presentation, so whatever the text you have selected, it came as underline. Sure. Okay. So let us see next how to next tab. So here it is font. It is font. What is actually a font? What is actually a font? A font is nothing but it's a character style, we can tell. The style of the character or style, text style, we can tell. We can tell that text style. As we are having different handwritings, your computer, your MS PowerPoint also gives us different lettering styles. Let us see some of the font styles here. Okay. So these are different fonts available. Just like in MS Office, you are having different slides here, different styles here. Okay. So first select the text. Select the text. Go for the font style. So select the font you like. Select the font you like. So automatically the font style will change. Okay. So what is the next tab you are having? See here, you can increase the font style. You can increase the font. You can increase the font. How to increase the font? Select the text. Click here A. So automatically our font is increasing. Okay. See here, the font is increasing. Or else you could increase the font size by control close in angular bracket. Okay. So similarly you can decrease the font. Select the text. Select the text. So you can decrease the font. Since I am having the touch screen, I am directly selecting the text directly by touching the board. So you have to select by using the mouse. So use the left mouse button and drag it the selected text, or else you can select by pressing shift and arrow keys. So automatically your text will be selected. Okay. So next one, theme colors. So you can change the theme of the color. Okay, you can change the theme. So let me show with the mouse. Okay, so you are changing the font color. You are changing the font color. Suppose by default the template will give some colors. Suppose if you want to change the color of the font, you can directly go for A here, text color. You can change the text color. Next here comes here alignment. Next here comes here alignment. So this is left alignment, this is center alignment, right alignment, and justified alignment. What do you mean by alignment? What do you mean by alignment? So alignment is nothing but arranging your text, arrangement of your text, the style you want to arrange. So left alignment means what? Left alignment arranges your text to the left side. Your text focuses or points to the left side. So right alignment, your text is aligned to the right side. Central alignment, your text is aligned to the middle. So similarly, justified alignment, your text is arranged in a proper format. Let me show that one. Select the text. So this is left alignment. Okay. So this is center alignment. See, your text has come to the center. So when I click on center alignment, the text has arranged to the middle. Okay. So right alignment. Right alignment. So text has arranged in right side. Justified alignment. So your text is arranged in a proper order with equal spaces. Okay. So similarly, you can put bullets also further. So what is visible, these are called bullets. Okay. So we are having different bullet styles. Let us see that bullet styles. Okay. So click here, bullets. Click on option here. So these are different styles of bullets here. Okay. So when you click on this tab, so automatically the bullet style has been changed. Let us see some more bullet styles. So automatically the bullets has been changed. So here, according to the user wish, according to the user, we can change the bullets. Okay. We can change the bullets. Okay. Okay. So not only bullets, we can put numbers also. We can put numbering also. Okay. So for that, you can directly right click. You can directly right click on here, or you can select the option from the ribbon. See here, when I selected, automatically 1, 2, 3 has come here. So only 3 options are there, that's why 3 has come. When I click enter after this one, when I click enter of this one, so the next number will come automatically. The next number will come automatically. When I click, automatically the numbers were arranged. Okay. So you no need of typing the number again. Once you have taken the option of numbering, so PowerPoint automatically takes the number. When you press enter, automatically the next number will come. Okay. So when you want to place a list of items, so you can go for either bullets or numbering. Sure. Clear? Okay. So you can have 2 columns also. See here, if I place 1 column, so PowerPoint has only 1 column. So if I place as 2 columns, so they are arranged in the 2 columns. That means your options can be had in 2 columns. So rather than going for next slide, you can place in 2 columns. You can place in 2 columns, like that you can type. Okay. So automatically, when you are increasing the text, PowerPoint automatically arranging. See, when you are increasing the text, PowerPoint is automatically arranging the text in this text box. This is called as text box. PowerPoint is automatically arranging here. PowerPoint is automatically arranging here. Okay. So you can change the alignment of text also. Suppose, let me select this, or we'll go for one more slide. Okay. So I'm typing. Okay. So first select this text, go for text direction. Okay. So this is horizontal. When I click, see here, the text has come here, Aditya Degree College. Okay. So what I have done, I am changing the aligning the text. Okay, select this text, go for text direction. Okay, rotate all text 270 degrees. So automatically, so where the text is here, so 270 degrees means 90, 180, 270. So 3 times it will rotate. Okay. So text is arranged to right. So this is stacked. See, stacked means Aditya Degree College for Degree College. So it has arranged in it just like a one after another. Stacking is nothing but one after another. Letters are arranged one after another. Okay. So let me make this normal. Okay. ABC horizontal, normal if I can make. Okay. So this is the text direction. What we have seen is text direction. Either you want to place in the top or right or wherever you want. Okay. So this is what text, align text. That means at which place you want to arrange the text. At which place you want to arrange the text. Let us see, align text. Okay. So either in the top or in the middle or in the, so this is in the bottom. I can make it in the middle. I can make it in the middle, or else I can make it in the top. Okay. So what is the difference between text direction and align text? What is the difference between text direction and align text? Okay. So text direction means in which direction you want to place your text, either in 90 degrees or 180 degrees or 270 degrees. So the direction of the text is in the text direction. Okay. Next, alignment of text means where you want to place your text, either in the top or middle or in the bottom. So accordingly the text will be aligned. Okay. So next here, when you are having list of items, see here. So when I select this one, here one option is there. So that is when you click on this one. So this is line spacing options, line spacing. What do you mean by line spacing? What do you mean by line spacing? Line spacing is nothing but the space between each and every sentence. Suppose if you want to make the sentences closer, so decrease the size, so make it to 1.0. Okay. Suppose if you want to increase more, so change the line spacing option. Select the text first. So 3.0, this one I have selected. From the starting it is 3.0. Okay. So according to your requirement, you can make the line options. Better not to give more spaces. 1.0 or 1.5 is sufficient. So if you give more than that, your presentation becomes very clumsy. Okay. Okay. So not only that, you can draw some shapes also. Suppose somewhere in the presentation, other than images, you may need to draw some shapes or put some symbols. So you can select. Suppose this is the. So I can drag. So using a mouse, you can select a symbol. You can draw. Select a symbol and you can draw. Okay. So that's a rectangle. Suppose if you want to draw a arrow mark, so accordingly you can draw. So not only you can draw, you can place this wherever you want. You can place this wherever you want. You can drag and arrange wherever you want. So using a mouse, first what you do, first take a mouse, click on the picture. So the picture has to be selected. Once the picture is selected, so you can place it anywhere in your presentation. You can place. Okay. See, previously I told about clipboard. See, suppose if I press, I have copied this one, you think. Control C, Control V. See here. So one more rectangle has come here. Suppose the same way, if I take arrow mark and if I press Control C, Control V, So the arrow mark also placed here. Previously I told about clipboard. So the recently copied items are placed in clipboard. The recently copied items are placed in clipboard. So maximum a clipboard can have 24 images. Okay. So you can draw star. So whatever the shape want you can draw. Okay. So the way you drag, automatically the size resizes. Automatically the image gets resized. Suppose I want to decrease this size. I want to decrease this size. Okay. So I can drag this one. I can drag. So using a mouse I can drag. Let me take a mouse and drag. Okay. See here, I can resize it. I have selected and I am resizing it according to the shape I want. Okay. One more thing, suppose you want to place some text in the shape. You want to place some text in the shape, that is also possible. So select on it, select on the picture first, select on the shape. So I have selected this, start typing, stop typing. Okay. So when you start typing, so automatically the text appears here. So not only in rectangle, where whatever the shape you want, so whatever the shape you want, you can simply add the text here. See, like that I can add the text and I can rearrange this one. I can rearrange this one according to my requirement. I can so I can rearrange this. If it's not sufficient, so I can change the arrow size also. I can change the arrow size also. Like that I can rearrange that. I can rearrange the shapes. Okay. So how you are getting the shapes? Okay. We are having, we can go directly go for insert and you are having shapes here. So in that you will be having number of shapes. Okay. So or I can directly select from the ribbon. Okay. So if you select from insert shapes, all are arranged according to the category. So it will be easy for you. So to select your category, see here, the first option you will be having recently used shapes. Recently used shapes. See here. So arrow mark and these all I have recently used. That's why they are placed in the top. Okay. So if you want to draw lines, you can use this category. If you want to draw rectangles of your choice, you can use this category. Basic shapes you can take it. You can add a smiley also. You can add a smiley symbol also. So where is the smiley symbol? So you can select this symbol, I can place here. You can add a smiley. Okay. So according to the category they are arranged. So you can drag it according to this. Okay. So for this also you can add some text. For this also you can add some text. And what are the more options we are having in insert shapes? Let us see. It's not visible from here. Let me come here. Insert shapes. Okay. So block arrows. Block arrows means these are block arrows. Okay. And equation shapes, plus, minus, into, divided, equal to, not equal to, these are the shapes available for that. When you are going for mathematical equation, you can go for this one. Flow chart symbols. Okay. So you are not aware of flow chart. So when you go for flow chart, you can use this one. Stars and banners. Okay. If you are going for banners or all, you can use that shapes. Okay. So these are the shapes available in this one. Okay. So next, arrange. What is arrange here? Okay. Suppose if you want to place anything, any text, let me show so that you will understand that. Okay. Suppose here I am selecting this shape. Okay. So I have placed a shape here. You think. Okay. So when I placed a shape here, what did you notice here? When I placed a shape here, what did you notice? The text was hidden. So that text was behind the picture. So when the text was behind the picture, I have to bring them before. Okay. See here, arrange, bring to front. Select this one, send to back. See, when I click on send to back, the text was arranged behind the text. Sorry, the object was arranged behind the text. So like that we can arrange the text. Let us see some more options available here. Bring to forward. So here is not required, this one, send backward. Okay. Align left, center. See here, align left. I have clicked on align left. So the image has arranged to the left side of the slide. Let us see some more. Alignment. Align in the top. Align in the bottom. So according to your choice, you can align the text wherever you require. So next, rotate. So you can rotate the image also. Okay. So 90 degrees. So this may not be visible to you if I change the direction. Let me take another one. So that you will understand. Rotate 90 degrees. See, the arrow mark has rotated to 90 degrees, pointing downward. So like that, if you can rotate the image also. Somewhere this image may not be available for you. Suppose you want the reverse of the image, you can go for rotating the images. So you will be having 90, 180, 270, 360 degrees. So according to your choice, you can rotate the image also. Okay. Let us see some other rotations. Flip vertical. You can flip the image also. Okay. Flip horizontal. Okay. So like that you can put some shape. Okay. See here, next, shape fill, shape outline, shape effects. Suppose if you take any image, you can fill the image with some color. See, by default blue color is selected here, so it is having blue. Suppose if I change the color, let me show. Suppose I am changed to red. I have changed it to red. So automatically the shape color is changed to red. Okay. Next, shape outline. That means what? Whatever the image you have taken. So for that you can change the outline of that. Okay. So automatically blue is selected here. It is having blue. So let me change some other color. Okay. I am changing to green. So your outline has some green color. Okay. See here, it is visible. So outline has green color. Next one, shape effects. That means you can add some more effects, you can add some other effects for these shapes. Let us see what are those. Okay. So reflection. So your image will have this type of reflections. See, the preview is available here for you. So your image will be having different reflections. So let me check this one. See here. So this is your image reflection. This is your image reflection. So according to the selection, glow. Okay. Suppose you want to give some glow to the image, outside glow you tell. Okay. So you can select any glow here. See, your image has this glow. Okay. You can select any glow here, shape effects. Okay. Next, soft edges. Okay. Soft edges 1.5 Q. So your edges, see, previously you are having more glow, now the glow has been reduced. Softness, you are giving softness to the edges. Okay. It looks like a cuboid. It looks like a cuboid outline. Okay. So 3D rotation. So your image looks like a 3D image. If I select this one, see, it looks like a 3D image. Okay, 3D reflection. We tell that as 3D reflection. Okay. So this looks like a 3D image. So you can have that one also. Okay. So these are different styles you can perform. These are the different styles you can perform on text or as well as images. Okay. So according to the user requirement, we can make the proper changes and proper images we can put and proper effects we can make on those images. Okay. So next one. One more we are having is word art. One more we are having is word art. See here, you are having a option here, word art. That means, so when you click on this one, you are having different styles. So the fonts, different fonts you are having. So this is called as word art. This is called as word art. Okay. So let me select some style. So the style you have selected automatically, you can type the. So I have selected this. Okay. So the style you have selected, automatically the text will appear in the same way. Okay. So this is the text I have taken. This is the text I have, word I have taken. And you can also add some effects to this. Okay. You can also add some effects to this. Okay. So these are different words. So you can add one more. So it is different from previous one I have selected. Okay. So like that I can add word art also here. See here, different styles are available for word arts also. Shape tiles. Okay. See here, when I click on that, so whatever the style you have selected, automatically this thing will appear here. So even for word art also you can give some filling effects. These are called as filling effects. Okay. You can give some effects. Okay. So for this also you can have shape fill. So according to the color you have selected, so automatically inside color will change. Similarly we can give color also, outline color, fill effects. So all the things what you have taken before you can apply here. Okay. So text fill. Next one we can see text fill. So select this text. So text fill, you can change the color. So automatically the text color will change. Okay. So these are different effects we have seen till now. We will see some more effects So once the effects are completed, we will go for PowerPoint presentation. How to make a slideshow, we will see. Okay. So next one, find and replace. So what is find what? Suppose if you want to search any word, if you want to search any word from the presentation, you can go on searching by going find what replace. Okay. So this is the find what dialog box, find and replace. Suppose I want to search point, whether this word is there or not, let me see. Okay. Yes, it is there in this presentation, point word is there. Okay. Suppose I want to replace it. Click on replace. So point is replaced with presentation, you think, present. So replace. So PowerPoint is replaced with present. See, PowerPoint replace all. If I make, so wherever point is there, it is replaced. Okay. Understand? Find and replace. So what we have learned till now. Next, one more I have forgotten to tell, format painter. Format painter means if you want to copy the same style to another, so you can click on format painter. Let us see that format painter. So I have selected this font. Some text is there here. Okay. So I am selecting this text, clicking on format painter. I am trying to apply on this. So automatically, so what type of style this font is having, the same thing was copied here. So suppose if you have forgotten what is the style you have given to the previous character or previous text, so at that time you can go for format painter. Simply select the text, click on format painter and apply on another text where you want to apply the same effect. So like that the format painter will work. Okay. So mostly we have completed all the things in the ribbon. Okay. So once we have completed, we will go for how to design how to present a PowerPoint. Okay. So any more thing? Okay. Next, cut, copy and paste. I think you know this one. Let me repeat that once. Okay. So if you want to copy a text from one place to another, you can select the text. And you can paste. What is the command to copy the text? Control C. What is the text you want to select? What is the text you want to copy? Click on the text and click on Control C. Let me show that one rather than telling orally. If I show you, it will be clear for you. Okay. Suppose I want to copy the same thing. So press Control C. So somewhere I want to paste this one. So press here Control V. See here. So using Control C, we can not only copy the text in the same slide, we can copy the text from one slide to another slide. Okay. And also we can rearrange the slides. See here. So these are the number of slides I am having. So suppose if you want to rearrange them, suppose you want this one here, so you can right click on this, you can go for cut, and you can, wherever you want, you can place that one and you can click on paste. Okay. Or else, okay, so what I have done, whatever the slide I want to remove, I have selected that slide and I have right click on that and I have clicked on cut. So the particular slide has cut and I am pasting it somewhere else. Or else we can simply drag the slide. See here, this slide I have selected and I am dragging it here. So automatically it has come. Suppose I am selecting this slide and I am dragging this one. So, I am dragging this one wherever I want, so automatically the slide arranges. Okay. So, what is the necessity of dragging? Suppose when you are making a big presentation somewhere, suppose you have missed some slide, so that slide can be arranged there, or in a particular place, you can take a new slide. In a particular place you can take a new slide, or you can move a new slide. Suppose here I want to, suppose I have forgot one slide here, simply I can press Control M. Okay. So, when I press Control M, so automatically what happened? One new slide is arranged here. So, like that, meanwhile, anywhere in the presentation, if you have missed any slide, you can directly go for new slide, arranging the new slide there. Okay. So, if you want to the same slide, you can press Control M, or else if you want to change the pattern of the slide, so you can click on layout. And you will be getting the different. Okay. So, like that you can arrange the slides. So, copying I have told you, then pasting means, so Control V, cut means Control X, okay. So, what is the difference between cut, copy and paste? So, if I want the same text, or whatever the text I have selected, let me show you. Suppose think that I want this same text, okay. So, what I have done, I have copied Control C and I am pasting here, okay. So, I am pasting here, Control V. So, what I have done, I have copied and pasted. That means the text what I have copied will be having a copy of that one. One duplicate of that will be available when I press Control C. Suppose if I press Control X, what happen? You won't be having any duplicate copy. Okay, suppose see here, I press Control X. So, it is removed here. Somewhere I am adding here. So, the text has come here, but you are not having any duplicate copy. Okay. So, while you are cutting a text, you should be very careful, because you won't be having any duplicate copy. So, you should be very careful while you are cutting the text. Okay. So, like that, today we have seen the effects. So, tomorrow we will see how to make a presentation. Thank you so much.